question was just two comments that you made. I just want to know a clarification about it. First comment you made was Tamil film stars are overpaid. That was the one comment that you made. May I please know why and on what aspect did you make that comment? And the second comment was the industry hasn't accepted you, but the audience have. May I know the clarifications of these two comments that you have made?
See, I feel today cinema is very challenging. It's divided into, for me, according to me, rent release ஆயிடுச்சு இப்போ. ஒன்னு theatrical release, ஒன்னு OTT release. அப்போ ஒரு டிஃபரன்ஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு சினிமா. முன்னாடி அப்படி கிடையாது, ஒரே ரிலீஸ் தான், theatrical release. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு வந்து தியேட்டர்ல ஒரு ஆடியன்ஸை புல் பண்ணி படம் பார்க்க வைக்கணும் அப்படின்னா there has to be a visual experience that you should experience, which you can't experience no matter what, how much you watch on the screen. அது தியேட்டர்ல உட்காரும் போது தான் உங்களால எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ண முடியும். அதுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்பெண்ட் தேவைப்படுது. அண்ட் அந்த ஸ்பெண்ட் வந்து what happens is if you start spending for the visual, the whole budget of the movie is increased to another level. And because in Tamil cinema, I personally feel that the actors are overpaid. ஏன் அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, I feel somewhere the other industries have given huge blockbusters in the last 2-3 years, and I think I somewhere feel that Tamil cinemaல இன்னமும் அந்த அளவுக்கு கொடுக்க முடியலங்கிறது எனக்கு ஒரு வருத்தம் இருக்கு. ஏன்னா we have given Endiran the first pan-Indian movie, and then there is nothing pan-India which we can speak about or be proud about after that. And when I think and analyze, the biggest reason is the actors oda salaries, technicians oda salaries konja jastiya irukku. So the making, even if the director, it's a director's medium, cinema is a director's medium. When directors have a great story to tell and don't have the budget, so the visual takes a toss. So movies cannot give you that kind of visual experience sometimes. Idanal da na sonna that because I know the numbers that people are taking in our industry, so I have that knowledge. Being a producer, I know what I'm paying people. So adanal I said I think we are a little overpaid, and now same applies to me also. Now how am I catering this issue? I've been catering now. Whenever I strike a deal with any of my producers, I don't take upfront salary. I have a profit sharing deal. Going forward, I am making sure that there are budgets for making, and if a movie does well, I should actually get more than what I was actually committed for in the first place. That is my X number of salary, right? If the movie does really well, I should get X+1. That I'm clear. But if it doesn't do well, at least we should have the budget to make the movie right.